Let's get into the cookup. I'm going to start off with a melody in D minor. I'll speed up the footage here to save time. Here's what I came up with.
It don't make sense to sit here all day doing nothing. So yeah, I'll have that time.
Let's get into the cookup. I'm going.
Grand Rising, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Glo-Life with Zay, aka Zay. Right now it's Sunday. Right now we got 3 coils. They all suicide. Basically, what suicide means is the center of the hose is facing the center of the trailer, so it'll roll off on the sides. Shotgun is the opposite way. But with that being said, y'all see how we got it. We got 2 chains on this one because it's 7,700. It's 11,700. And this one's 26,500. So we got 4 chains on this one. As you can see, 2 and 2. So yeah, guys, this is what we're working with. Now we can get up out of here. The boy Ty, and I was chopping it up with another driver. That was a good brother right there, because you know, people that don't gatekeep and people that just like to keep it 100. Y'all might like them gatekeepers out there, but I don't really like the gatekeepers. But with that being said, I ain't gonna talk too much, so I gotta roll this tarp back so I can get up out of here. But with that being said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are subscribed to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. Yeah, we just get started. We got 2 stop drop. The first one, Dearborn, and the second one, Detroit. All right, there, everybody. As y'all can see, he is currently driving. We got 2 stop drop. The first one, Dearborn, Michigan, and then the second one, Detroit, to be exact. We got 429 miles altogether just to get to Dearborn. Then we're probably gonna have probably 15 to 25 miles just to get to Detroit. It really ain't that far away from each other, but I don't know exactly about per mileage. But if I was guessing, between 15 and 20 miles to be on the safe side. So yeah, guys, we got a lot of miles we got to cover today, just so we can get there and be as close as possible. But we're gonna drop it off tomorrow early day. I think we gotta be there probably like what, 8, 9, if I'm not mistaken. I gotta look at my chart again. As you can see, boy, head itching, style coming down, which is all bad right now. But yeah, I didn't expect this style to really stay up the longest, only because it's a new style that I rock. And it's my first time actually keeping it up this long, because I didn't think it was gonna be falling down like that. But you know, my hair's just a little different from everybody else. But with that being said, yeah, I ain't finna bore y'all to death with a long speech. I just see y'all. I see y'all in a little bit. Hopefully we'll be halfway there then. And just keep scratching, because you know you can dig in your hair too much to the point where you're cutting your hair, cutting your scalp. But yeah, see y'all in a little bit then. everybody. We out here in Benton Harbor, Michigan. We got 184 miles to travel until we actually get to our destination. We got 3 hours and 1 minute to be exact. Right now we got 5 hours and 18 minutes. We're going in against some fuel. I stopped at a flying jet, if I'm not mistaken. Then I ended up grabbing some fuel. But man, guys, your boy been experiencing nothing but traffic. Just going through Illinois and Indiana straight into Michigan. It's just been hectic traffic, back-to-back traffic. Like, I really can't get no miles done because I'm steady experiencing traffic. But as y'all can see, it is what it is. But it's crazy for it to be a Sunday. Like, it's a Sunday, guys. Like, I didn't think it's this much traffic that be going on a Sunday traveling. But I guess they probably have some type of event in Illinois or Indiana. I really don't know because I haven't been in tune with any activities as far as like what they got going on in the world. But with that being said, yeah. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. And if you already subscribed to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. Your boy is trying to grow his channel. He's getting close to 400 subscribers. So if y'all want to be a part of that, helping me reach 400 subscribers, y'all have a chance to enter a giveaway for the $300. So as soon as I hit 400, then my giveaway will start. But until then, I can't do it until I hit my goal. So I need y'all to share the videos and, you know, subscribe to the channel, man. But with that being said, yeah, man, see y'all in a little bit, man. It's too much traffic for me to really just be sitting here trying to talk. Stop it, go, stop it, go, stop it, go. Everybody, welcome back to part 2. Right now we're leaving a spot that's really the wrong address, and something told me like open up the envelope so I can see the paperwork address, and sure enough I'm at the wrong spot. I ain't never been to the spot, but the address I'm supposed to be at is 8111 Tierman Drive. Someone was telling me like, hey, they sent you to the wrong place, but ain't nothing I can really do about it because at the end of the day, it's just like, it's inconveniencing me that y'all deliver to these places all the time and y'all still can't get the address right. And y'all, because y'all keep putting it in the system as a whole nother address, but they sent me to 25325 out here in Dearborn, Michigan. It's still the same city. I mean, the town, but it's not the right location, which, you know, that's inconvenience in the driver because they assuming that you're supposed to be in one spot. And I was really on time, guys. That's the crazy part. Like, I'm on time, but now I'm late because I'm at the wrong specific place. But yeah, man, I don't know what's wrong with these companies nowadays. It's like people don't know ABCD no more. They do ACD, which is crazy, but it is what it is. I'm gonna head to this place. I'm only 35 minutes away, 22 miles to be exact. So now we gotta drive 22 miles. So in reality, I just drove like 500 miles altogether for nothing when I could have been at the right spot the whole time. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. Alright, y'all. Y'all see we at the right place. They're taking the coal off right now. So let me record this for y'all so y'all see what's going on. Alright, y'all, as y'all see, we just got that cord taken off. There was only one cord. And the last 2 cords, we gotta go to the next place in Detroit. So I'll see y'all when I get there. So right now they're moving pretty fast. I don't want to slow them down for nothing. everybody. As y'all can see, we in the dock, which is the inside dock to be exact. That's a whole different type of truck right there. I chopped it up with this good driver right here. He told me a lot about hauling those. Yeah, honestly, they make about the same paycheck that we do. They just home every night. But they do more coils because they got 11 axles, we got 5. Like back to my side, we put everything up. We had 2 chains on it. Reason why, guys? Because it was 7,700 pounds. Just the front coil. And this was 11,700 pounds. So not even on 12,000. When you put 2 chains, it's 6,600 a piece. So 6, that's 12. Another 6, that's 12. So that's 13,200 pounds, of course, for each coil. So 2 chains is more than enough. And you see, put everything up. We ain't got too much to worry about. Now I'm just waiting for the good brother to come back out here because we end up chopping it up too as well. So he know who I am, but not face-wise, but not like by name-wise. Like we talk on the phone every day because he's a little older than me. But you know, the best people that got the best knowledge is the people that's older than you guys. You know. So with that being said, sometimes you know you gotta be quiet. Sometimes just listen to what an OG gotta say. Sometimes you feel me. But you know how they say respect the elder, just respect the elder. Alright everybody, we headed to Gibraltar, Michigan. Currently we got 26 miles till we actually be there. And right now, you know, we're about to borderline to Canada. If anybody wonder how you get to Canada, you gotta go to Detroit. And I think it's another way you can get there too as well. So with that being said, yeah. Traffic pretty smooth right now. The good thing is, you know, everything came out pretty smooth. The vibe's been good so far today. Hope everybody having a positive day as well. Because you know, if you're having a positive day, your day just go better. Because if you start off good, it end good. So with that being said, always protect your energy, always be aware to be alive. So yeah, can't complain about nothing. Everything is smooth. And I'll see y'all when we get there because really ain't too much to look at. And yeah, ain't really too much to talk about right now. See y'all in a little bit. Everybody, as y'all can see, we're in a different facility. We made it here. I probably waited like almost like an hour. That's probably like an hour and 30 minutes. I won't even say 2 hours, but probably like an hour, 15 minutes to be on the safe side. But they might be coming with my coil right now as we speak right there. I'm really not sure. But y'all see what's going on. We're gonna get this coil put on, and we're gonna get up out of here soon because we got all our stuff laid out. Since each chain is 6,600 pounds and it's both supposed to be 37,000 pounds, we need 6 chains, guys. So with that being said, yeah, let me get to work and I'll see y'all in a little bit. Alright everybody, as y'all see, we got all 6 chains on. Let's give us like 39,000 pounds for us, 36,000 pounds for us. But see, 36,400 pounds. So if I'm not mistaken, we got more than 37,000 pounds for us. So yeah. Alright everybody, we headed to Crawfordsville, Indiana. We got 335 miles to travel. So good thing is we ain't finna have to drive all day because we only got 5 hours, 24 minutes. And then, I don't know how long it's gonna take us to get there, but 3 hours, 300 some miles. I'll do the math, probably gonna take about 6.5 hours to get there. But can't complain about nothing, you know, even though today been pretty smooth and, you know, we had that hiccup earlier because we was at the wrong location. Today's still been smooth, guys, so I can't complain about nothing. You know, your boy making his money for the week, so you make your money, don't complain. because, you know, you can have worse days, guys. So other than that, just be positive about everything. Like I said, when you're positive, your whole perspective is positive. When you have a good day, you're going to end your day good. So, yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed to the channel, you already know what to do. Hit that like button. Yeah, man, follow the channel, man. If you want that giveaway, man, subscribe.